I was working with another fellow here at the lab, and we really knew that we wanted to look at changes in the aerosol or tiny particles in the atmosphere as they move away from North America. We put together a proposal teaming with some scientists from NASA. They had some really cool instrumentation that we could bring to help us really address that question. The proposal was turned down. I'm Larry Berg. I'm a scientist at Pacific Northwest National Laboratory and also chair of the ARM User Executive Committee. I'm going to tell you how my proposal succeeded the second time. The first effort that we had, we wanted to look at what was going on down near Chesapeake Bay. We had a unique opportunity to use the Chesapeake Light Tower where we could potentially place some of the ARM mobile facility equipment. We went down and we wrote the proposal. We were pretty proud of it. The review committee came back with some concerns that the area itself was not dirty enough, that we wouldn't see enough particles. And then ARM came back and said, well, it would actually be very expensive because all the equipment would have to be carried by helicopter from somewhere in the area out onto the light platform. So for those two reasons, the proposal was turned down. We took the comments and the feedback that we got from the review committee and used that to help develop a new proposal. We changed the location. We decided that instead of looking down around the entrance to Chesapeake Bay, we would go up to Cape Cod. It's close to a couple of metropolitan centers, right? Boston and New York are nearby, so there's lots of aerosol and lots of atmospheric chemistry going on. The proposal reviewed quite well and was selected. The primary advice I would have for other people submitting proposals is to not get discouraged if your proposal isn't funded the first time, and to use the reviewer comments to go back, revisit the proposal, improve it so that you have a higher probability the second time. It's actually not unusual for proposals to be turned down once and then funded with a subsequent submission. My favorite part of being out in the field is actually the camaraderie. You get to know people that you work with in ways that you just don't get to do if you're just stuck in the office. There's something about working long hours around aircraft or other instrumentation that really makes you count on each other and get to know each other in ways that you just don't do otherwise.